AIC R&TU Foundation, in 7 years span, we have incubated 139 startups, made our presence statewide as a leading incubator, and our vision is to be one of the leading incubators in the nation. Driven with one mission to support all job creators from school campus to a growing startup and make an impact in their journey. Through our programs and initiatives, we've attracted over 60 startups from across the nation. Our footprint now spans major cities including Bengaluru, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Delhi, Kochi, Indore, Kanpur, Ahmedabad, Telangana, Jaipur, and beyond. With our flagship event Navonmesh, we've engaged with entrepreneurs of all ages, from school students taking their first steps into innovation to established startups leaving their mark on the country. We're building a truly nationwide presence and getting stronger every day.
AIC R&TU is a startup incubation center supported by NITI Aayog, Government of India. We currently incubate 139 startups. We are able to attract startups from across the country. We currently focus on deep tech startups, mainly from SaaS, cybersecurity, edtech, likewise.
We operate across 4 key pillars. We spread awareness about innovation and entrepreneurship as a viable career option among students from diverse academic backgrounds. Through our various programs and cohorts, we help startups move from their current stage to the next, providing services like mentorship, workshops, market access, and corporate credits. With 80 plus mentors from marketing to finance, textiles to legal, AIC R&TU connects startups with industry leaders, investors, and market opportunities to accelerate growth. We've supported startups through multiple funding schemes such as the Startup India Seed Fund Scheme, Genesis EIR by METI, Nidhi SSP by DST, and are the only incubator partner for IDEX, Ministry of Defence in Central India. We've also received CSR funding from HDFC Bank Parivartan and NASCOM Foundation. Several of our startups have gone on to raise further funds from government schemes, angel investors, and even platforms like Horses Sable and Shark Tank. Through a series of events, workshops, and activities, we've helped build awareness and excitement for entrepreneurship. We've collaborated with institutions, supported emerging entrepreneurs, and taken the spirit of innovation from campuses to cities and from local to statewide. At AIC R&TU, we believe innovation begins with belief. Belief in an idea, in a dream, and most importantly, in the people who dare to chase it. We are not just building startups. We are building a future driven by passion, purpose, and possibility.